Tired of slow Solana transactions and missed opportunities? Let's turbocharge your Solana experience by using Photon with your Phantom Wallet. First, open your Phantom Wallet app. Look for the settings icon, usually at the bottom or in a menu. Tap it to access the settings menu. Scroll down within the settings menu until you find advanced settings. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments. Select advanced settings. In advanced settings, find and select Custom RPC Endpoints. This will allow us to point Phantom towards Photon's faster servers. Tap the Add Custom RPC Endpoint button. You'll see two fields. Name and RPC Endpoint URL. In the name field, type Photon to easily identify this custom endpoint. In the RPC Endpoint URL field, carefully enter the Photon RPC Endpoint. You can find the latest and most accurate endpoint address in the description below. Once you've entered the information, save the new endpoint. You should now see Photon listed as a custom RPC endpoint in your Phantom Wallet. And that's it. Now you can experience faster, more reliable transactions on Solana using Phantom and Photon together.